Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Remitano, a platform on a mission to bring innovative financial solutions to your doorstep. Are you ready to bridge the gap between fiat and crypto? Stick around because we've got a lot to cover. At Remitano, their purpose is crystal clear: to provide the most trusted and secure platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. But they don't stop there. Over the past decades, Remitano has been busy serving more than 3 million users worldwide, and they've expanded their reach to over 50 countries. They've truly transformed into a focused leader in the blockchain industry, and they've done it with a clear mission to be the best on-off-ramp service in the world. But what drives them? It's all about making people financially happy. Remitano is committed to innovating with one consistent belief: that by providing top-notch services, they can bring financial happiness to people. But what makes Remitano stand out? It's not just their extensive reach and their dedication to customer happiness. They've developed a platform that addresses global challenges. They have a proud heritage of groundbreaking innovation, all centered around meeting their customers' needs. From investing and securely storing cryptocurrencies to making real-world purchases with your crypto and providing valuable crypto knowledge to everyone, Remitano has it all covered. So, if you're looking for a platform that's secure, innovative, and has your financial happiness at heart, Remitano is the place to be.